We're at Bristol Temple Meads station. I'm the regional manager for Taziker for Wales and Western, but I'm also the project lead for Bristol Temple Meads. Taziker has just completed a 3-week blockade. The blockade, we took the opportunity of an abnormal 3-week possession, which we wouldn't normally get. So we maximised the installation of the scaffold structure to allow us access to the roof. Once the scaffolding is complete and the crash deck is installed, the station is protected, it will be fully operational, the trains will be running as normal, and the commuters won't know we're actually working above them. The blockade went really well. We completed the majority of our planned works in the blockade. We completed working 20,000 people hours in that time with over 8 different trades, in addition to our safety critical staff and skilled plant operatives. The scaffolding is being carried out by our in-house network scaffolding company. They've been absolutely first class, led by their contracts manager and the team. It's been the key high-risk activity for us, working at height, working around members of the public and the like, and their compliance to safety and achieving our programme has been absolutely first class. The next for the project is completion of our design, specifically the complex foundations design, the smoke analysis and modelling. That will then allow us to complete the designs for the footprint of the foundations, allow us to build the towers, and then ultimately put the remaining desert beams on. We've had many challenges for this blockade. We've only had less than 5 weeks to prepare for this blockade. We've had 3 weeks flat out working 24/7, and so one of the key risks was fatigue of our project team and the wider team. We've had to manage COVID issues. We've had to ensure our designs are completed literally just in time to manage our works. Procurement of key materials has been problematic because of the design coming in late. We faced issues with buildability and construction issues. So we had many challenges, and any one of them could have prevented the successful outcome that we've achieved.
My name is John Turton, and I'm Scheme Project Manager for Network Rail. In 6 months, we've achieved a lot. We've been working really hard with Taziker, with all of the stakeholders in and around the Bristol Temple Meads train station, and of course the other projects that are going on in the station simultaneously to get what you see behind me. Everyone has done a fantastic job to get to where we are. It's gone really well. We're happy with what Taziker have done. We've installed 16 desert beams over the track, and all the while the train station's been operational. The workforce has been carrying out what you see behind me at a safe distance, and where possible we try and maintain the customer experience. There's a lot of heritage which goes with Bristol Temple Meads train station. It's a tier 1 for the route, which means it's not only a really important project, but it's a really interesting project being from the local area.
Oh, absolutely. The blockade wouldn't have been a success without the collaboration and effort between Network Rail, our key stakeholder, Great Western Railway, and ourselves. We all combined. We understood what we wanted from the blockade. We also understood what each party needed in expectations, and to keep the train station operational as best it could and minimise the effect on the public. The wider team are really proud of their achievements. You can see it in their attitude and their sense of pride, and it was achieved by determination and the willingness to succeed and a sense of achievement, something everybody can look back on with pride.